Short video here, which was inspired by a question from an AdapTable user, but we thought was of potentially wider interest. And that is, this user had a AdapTable instance which had none of the UI components, but they still wanted to use quick search. So let me explain what I mean. Typically in AdapTable, you will use a dashboard. It might have tabs, it will have toolbars. It has a quick search here. So if I kind of do JA, I can see it here. And you will also typically use tool panels and sometimes the status bar as well. But this user had lots of grids on the page, and so each grid was minimalistic and it had no dashboard, no tool panel, nothing, but they still wanted to use quick search. And in fact, that is possible via floating quick search, which is not widely known, hence this video. So let me show you how you can do that. So as you can see here, we have an AdapTable instance as described, no dashboard, no tool panels. And what we've done is we're listening to the key down event of meta key shift key S. So I'm using a Mac. So for me, that would be Command Shift S. And when we do that, we call the quick search API, which is one of the many functions in the AdapTable API, to show a floating quick search. So let me go full screen and you'll see it better. And have a look here in the corner of the grid for when I do that keystroke. So, and this again is also very useful for users who kind of like to do everything in the keyboard and not want to go sort of to and from the mouse. So now I'm going to do Command Shift and S, and we can see there in the top corner a search has appeared, and then obviously I can do that search as normal, and then whenever I want I can just click escape and it disappears. I can bring it back and I can clear the search. So there we are, simple as that. You can obviously listen to any keystroke you want, and you can have quick search appear and disappear in response to user input, and then still allow you to have as much real estate as possible dedicated to your grid rather than to other UI controls. As always, thank you for watching. Any questions, please get in touch. We'll be delighted to give you a personalized one-to-one demo, or indeed a free, no obligation trial license.